Learn how to change circular needle when knitting in the round in just 90 seconds. A common example is switching to a bigger needle size for stockinette after ribbing. To change needle, you knit the next round with the right tip of your new needle. All you need to do is hold the right tip of your new needle in front of the other right tip. Then knit the next round using the old left tip and the new right tip. So, put your new right tip into the first stitch on the left tip and knit it. This moves the first stitch onto your new needle. Then knit the next stitch with the new needle tip and repeat around. It might look or feel a bit awkward at first, but just go with it. Here's how things look mid-round. Keep knitting with the old left tip and the new right tip until you knit the last stitch in the round. Now all your stitches are on your new needle and you can leave your old empty circular aside. Then just mark the end of the round if you like and keep knitting. Give it a go, and if you've any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching.